Thinking of working in one of Europe's fastest growing economies? Then this video is for you. We are breaking down everything you need to know about the Ireland Work Permit visa process for foreign nationals. We'll cover the different permit types, which one gives you the fastest route to residency, the top in-demand jobs, and essential tips to make your application a success. Get ready to take notes, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to working in Ireland. And if this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I would love to personally welcome you. Ireland has several employment permits, but for most skilled foreign workers, you'll focus on two main types, the Critical Skills Employment Permit, CSEP, and the General Employment Permit, GEP. 1. The Critical Skills Employment Permit, CSEP. The gold standard, this permit is designed to attract highly skilled workers in occupations facing a shortage in Ireland. Think of it as the fast-track option. Key requirements: your job must be on the official Critical Skills Occupations list. This includes roles in tech, engineering, and healthcare. You'll also need to meet a high salary threshold, currently €38,000 for listed occupations, or €64,000 for a select few others. Big benefit: your employer doesn't have to perform a labor market needs test. That's a huge time saver. Plus, you get a quick pathway to permanent residency. 2. The General Employment Permit, GEP. The broad gateway, this permit covers a much wider range of occupations, basically, any job not on the ineligible list of occupations. Key requirements: the salary threshold is generally €34,000 per year, though there are exceptions for certain roles like healthcare assistants and recent graduates. Key difference: the employer usually has to pass a labor market needs test, which means advertising the job to EEA/EU citizens first for a minimum of 28 days. This adds time to the process. Now, for the crucial question, which permit is your best bet? If you qualify for it, the Critical Skills Employment Permit is the clear winner. Here's why. Faster route to residency: after just 21 months on a CSEP, you can apply for a Stamp 4 visa, which allows you to live and work in Ireland without needing an employment permit. Family benefits: your spouse or partner can get an immediate Stamp 1G, allowing them to work in Ireland without needing their own permit. For the general permit, your family generally has to wait 1 year. Simpler application: no labor market needs test required, making the application more straightforward for your employer. If your role isn't on the critical skills list but isn't ineligible, the General Employment Permit is your essential pathway. Jobs available for foreigners, in-demand sectors. Ireland's job market is booming, especially in sectors that rely on global talent. The most in-demand jobs for foreign workers are consistently found in technology and IT, think software developers, data scientists, information security analysts, and business analysts. Ireland is a European tech hub, and the demand is massive. Healthcare, nurses, doctors, medical scientists, and radiographers are constantly needed due to ongoing labor shortages. Engineering, civil, construction, electronics, and process engineers are highly sought after, often landing on the critical skills list. Construction, roles like project managers and quantity surveyors are key to Ireland's infrastructure growth. Finance and accounting, opportunities in corporate finance and specialized accounting roles are abundant. Top companies hiring or agencies. You need to target the right companies and leverage the right resources. Ireland hosts the European headquarters for many global tech and pharma giants who regularly hire foreign talent. Tech, Google, Meta, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon. Pharma/biotech, Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, Boston Scientific. Finance, Citi, Bank of America, J.P. Morgan. For your job search, specialized recruitment agencies are your secret weapon. They know which companies are actively hiring and can guide you through the permit process. Hayes Recruitment, Morgan McKinley, Sigmar Recruitment, Reliance Recruit. These agencies specialize in placing international candidates in high-demand roles. Now, how do you actually find those jobs? 1. Job portals. Use Irish sites like irishjobs.ie, jobs.ie, LinkedIn Ireland, Indeed Ireland. Filter for visa sponsorship or work permit roles. Cite specifically for visa sponsorship jobs, e.g. visasponsor.jobs. 2. Company recruitment pages. Check the careers pages of big multinationals in Ireland. Use international hiring or global careers filters. 3. Recruitment agencies/headhunters. Specialized recruitment firms that place foreigners. Some agencies focus on tech, healthcare, etc. Professional networking. LinkedIn is non-negotiable. Not only should you apply through it, but you should also connect with recruiters at the companies you're targeting. Attend webinars, virtual job fairs. Yours. The European Job Mobility Portal is where Irish employers advertise jobs, especially as part of the labour market needs test for general permits. You should check it. Crucial step: when you search, filter for positions that explicitly mention sponsorship or are on the critical skills occupations list. This saves you time and increases your chances of finding an employer willing to support your permit application. Visa processes. The application process has two main stages: the employment permit and the entry visa. Stage 1, the employment permit. The job offer is key. You must secure a valid job offer from an Irish-based employer first. Application: either you or your employer applies for the permit using the Employment Permits Online System, EPOS. It's usually best for the employer to apply. Documentation: you'll need a signed contract, passport details, degree certificates, and potentially proof of the labor market needs test, depending on the permit type. Processing time: check the Department of Enterprise, Trade and Employment website for current processing times. Plan for a few months. Stage 2, the entry visa, if required. If you are from a visa-required country, after your permit is approved, you must then apply for an entry visa, employment visa, via the online AVIT system. Arrival and registration: once you arrive in Ireland, you must register with the immigration authorities to get your Irish Residence Permit, IRP, which is your official ID card. Tips for success. To boost your application success rate and retention, here are my top 3 tips. Know the lists: check the critical skills occupations list and the ineligible list religiously. Tailor your job search only to eligible roles. Applying for an ineligible job is a guaranteed rejection. Meet the salary. Ensure your job offer meets or exceeds the minimum salary threshold for your chosen permit. Clear documentation. Make sure your contract, passport, and qualification certificates are all perfectly clear and complete. An incomplete application will be deleted after 28 days, forcing you to start over. Professional CV. Reformat your CV and cover letter to the Irish/European standard, focusing on quantifiable achievements, not just job duties. Working in Ireland is an incredible opportunity, a mix of high-tech industries, stunning natural beauty, and a rich, welcoming culture. The path is clear. Target the critical skills employment permit for the fastest route, focus on in-demand sectors like tech and healthcare, and execute a flawless application using the official online system. The opportunity is there. Go secure that job offer. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more global career jobs, and let me know in the comments below which part of Ireland you dream of working in. Good luck with your application, and I'll see you in the next video.